Hi, this is Laura Lemza with Engineering Career Services, and this video is a demonstration of how to use Handshake to navigate the on-campus career fair. So from your Handshake page, go to Events. From Events, we're searching for the career fair, and the best way to find it is go under Category and filter for Career Fair. We'll view the results. And for me, the first one that pops up is the Spring 2023 On-Campus Engineering Internship and Career Fair. This is the main career fair page with good detailed information about the location, the time of the fair, how you might dress, suggestions and tips. In addition, at the top, we have the calendar for the week of all the career fair related events going on. Let's go ahead and look at who's coming. So we click on All Employers. And here's a list of the employers who have registered for the fair, each one. And there is the opportunity to view details about each career fair attendee. So let's scroll down and take a look at CGI because they have a good example. We're going to view details. And here you'll see that CGI has posted a bunch of jobs on Handshake, and they are hyperlinked here to the career fair details. So if you would like to apply through Handshake before you attend the fair, this is super helpful and convenient. If the company does not have hyperlinked jobs, you would simply see a list of jobs like under BMW. It has job titles and job types, but they're not linked at this time. In addition, you can filter for companies to narrow your search. Recommend you only use the job type filter, which means either a job full-time after graduation or an internship. In addition, in general with the fair, you can join the event here, which will help send you a bunch of useful tips and links as you get ready for the fair. Finally, there is a map, which will be posted a couple of days before the fair. So check it and use it on your mobile app. You can download Handshake to your phone for the fair and be able to have a map right in your hand. All right, that's it for the on-campus fair. Hope to see you there. If you have any questions, please email us at engrcareers@vcu.edu. Thanks.